Hello there, this is Elliot Gemalto talking about Sentinel EMS Enterprise, focusing on namespaces. If you go to catalog namespaces, you'd find that by default you get a global, the name global namespace, and it defines as a default global namespace that can be used throughout the Sentinel EMS for everything that you want. So if you don't define anything else, then you have only one namespace called global. However, it's very beneficial for you to consider to create maybe several namespaces for different product lines or for different purposes if you'd like. For example, if you have two product lines, one products that relates to security and the other one products that relates to graphics, then you might consider to choose two namespaces. One maybe you would call security products, and the other one will be called maybe graphical or graphic tools or something like this. Why is that? Because based on the namespace, all the other things that you define are linked to a specific namespace. For instance, if you go to feature and you want to create a new feature, then the very first thing that you have to define, maybe not the very first thing, but it is a must, it's mandatory. As you see, the red asterisk here says that it's mandatory. You have to define the namespace. So you have, if you hadn't define other namespaces, you would have only the global one. So this is why it's very important to consider whether several namespaces should be defined. And now let me show you how to create a new namespace. This is very easy. You click on new, and then you have the name. Let's say we want to say security products. Here I can provide reference ID 1, reference ID 2. For other, maybe if you want to call from other ERP, CRM, or maybe you want some kind of information that is relevant for you, for your organization. And description, security, of course the name might suggest what is the meaning of this namespace, but nevertheless you can write here whatever you think is important for you and save. Now the orange status and not the green one, it means that, and here you can look over here, this means that if it's green, it says that that's it, the namespace is already there. However, if it's orange, it says hasn't been used yet, or maybe not deployed yet, not been used yet, and therefore you're still able to delete it. Once the namespace has been used, then you can never delete it. You can maybe edit it to change things, to add references or something like this, and save it, but not to delete it. So once you have a namespace, then you are able to provide, let's go back for features, let's say, and I want to create a new feature. And now if I check the namespaces, I don't have only the global, but also the security products that I've just created. So to sum up, namespace are a very important part that you need to consider prior to starting with definitions of features, products, roles, and other things. It's like more or less this is almost the most important thing to start with once you work with Sentinel EMS Enterprise for your organization. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.